Hello and welcome to CBS Institute. Welcome to Current Affairs Quiz. Let's get started with the first question. Which two countries among the following have agreed to build International Lunar Research Station, that is ILRS, recently? Lunar refers to moon. Lunar refers to moon. See, recently two countries, China and Russia have agreed to build International Lunar Research Station. These two countries have agreed to build this station. See, this will be built and set up in the moon orbit or on the surface of the moon. So, moon related research activities will be carried out. Moon related, that is lunar research activities, will be carried out in the center. So here Russia, China, Russia and the US, Russia and the UAE, USA and the UK, UAE and the UK. So these are the options. So among the given options, Russia and China, option A is the correct answer. See here, NASA also plans to send a man and first woman to the moon by the year 2024. Okay, so United Arab Emirates, UAE, also decided to send unmanned spacecraft called Rashid to the moon by the year also 2024. So here this is China and Russia. Okay, so Russia, China, option A is the correct answer. Next question. Recently, the Union Cabinet has approved Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Nidhi, that is PMSSN. The Nidhi fund is administered here refers to managed by which of the following ministries? See, recently the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has approved Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Nidhi, that is fund. Nidhi here refers to fund. See, this is actually a single non-lapsable reserve fund. So money is always there. Money is not ended here, not depleted. So that is non-lapsable. See, here the cess here refers to tax and tax. See, the section 139B of Finance Act 2007 gives powers to the central government to impose cess, that is tax on tax. For example, the person X is paying ₹100 as income tax. Here government will impose 4% on these 100 rupees. 4% cess will be imposed. This is health and education cess. So here 100 rupees plus 4 rupees becomes 104 rupees. See, 4 rupees will be cess and 100 rupees is tax. So here cess means tax and tax. The purpose of the cess is it must be used for whatever the purpose it has been allocated. It has been allocated. So if it is education cess, the 4 rupees must be used for the promotion of education. If it is health cess, the 4 rupees must be for the promotion of health. So here health and education cess 4% will be imposed on different taxes. For example, income tax, corporate tax, etc. See, the cess, amount of the cess will be credited to the Nidhi, that is this fund, Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Nidhi. Whatever the amount accrued through cess will be credited into this account, and this money and the money, whatever the money accrued from this cess will be credited into this account, and the money from this Nidhi will be utilized for health related schemes. health related schemes, that is flagship schemes of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. See, the administration, management of Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Nidhi has been given to Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Family Welfare. So here Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is the correct answer. Option C is the correct one. Okay. Next question. Which of the following institutions in India has recently conferred with the King Bhumi Bol World Soil Award 2020? That is 2020 award. See, King Bhumi Bol. King Bhumi Bol. Adulya Dej. King Bhumi Bol Adulya Dej. He was the former king of the country Thailand. So he started many initiatives for the conservation of soil. So on the name of the former king, that is King Bhumi Bol Adulya Dej, the Royal Kingdom of Thailand has instituted an award, that is King Bhumi Bol World Soil Award. See, this award is sponsored by Kingdom of Thailand, but it is presented by Food and Agriculture Organization. Please remember, this is presented by Food and Agricultural Organization, but sponsored by Food and Agriculture Organization, which is headquartered at Rome, which is in Italy. See, this award is given to institutions and also individuals who worked for the conservation of soil. See, King Bhumi Bol World Soil Award 2020 was given to an Indian organization, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research, that is ICAR. Option D is the correct answer. So it worked for the conservation of soil. Actually, this award is announced on the World Soil Day. The World Soil Day, that is in December. World Soil Day, December 5th. World Soil Day, December 5th. So actually it was presented to ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated Maitri Setu. Setu here refers to bridge. It connects India with which country? See, the bridge Maitri Setu has been inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So it connects India with the country Bangladesh. So this has been built over the river Feni. Also a point to be noted, river Feni. So in order to improve the relations, connectivity improvement between India and Bangladesh, so this bridge or this setu was built across the Feni river, connects India and Bangladesh. See, this bridge was built by National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation. National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation with a cost of 133 crore. So it connects India with the following countries is the question here. So option B is the correct answer, that is Bangladesh. Next question. BIMSTEC Secretariat is located in. See, BIMSTEC stands for Bay of Bengal Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. This is a group of 7 countries mostly dependent on Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal. See, this group was formed on 6th June 1997. Secretariat of BIMSTEC is located in Dhaka, which is the capital city of Bangladesh. See, Secretary General of BIMSTEC is Tenzin Lakeville. Tenzin Lakeville. So, he is the Secretary General of BIMSTEC. See, each year, according to the alphabetical order, one country, okay, member countries take the chairmanship of this group, that is BIMSTEC. So currently, for the current year, the chairmanship has been taken over by the country Sri Lanka. So here, BIMSTEC Secretariat is located in which of the following cities is the question. So option E is the correct answer, that is Dhaka. Next question. Recently, Reserve Bank of India has decided to remove Industrial Development Bank of India, that is IDBI, from PCA framework. Here, what C stands for is the question. See, in order to monitor the financial position of banks, earlier Reserve Bank of India had introduced PCA framework. Here PCA stands for Prompt Corrective Action. See, if any bank's financial position is deteriorating, then this bank will be put under PCA framework. If any bank is put under PCA framework, then there will be severe restrictions on these banks. Restrictions with respect to providing new loans, branch expansions. Okay, so there should not be any branch expansion with respect to this bank, that is the bank which has been placed under PCA. Okay, so like this, there will be several restriction on the banks which have been put under prompt corrective action. So here, this question has been asked here that recently Reserve Bank of India has decided to remove IDBI from PCA framework. See, 4 years back, IDBI had been put under PCA framework because of the deteriorating financial position of the bank. Now, the Reserve Bank of India, after observing all the thresholds, has decided, thresholds of IDBI, has decided that the bank IDBI should be removed from the PCA framework. So here, what C stands for is the question. Prompt corrective action. So C stands for corrective. Option D is the correct answer.